Bonjour! In this tutorial, we will learn the French letters and how to pronounce them. Similar to the English alphabet, the French alphabet has also 26 letters. However, some letters are pronounced differently. Let me read the entire alphabet to you so you can hear the differences. Okay, so let's jump in. Listen to me carefully and repeat after me. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. This one is quite different. E. You round up your lips and you say E. F, F, G, G. So not G, but G in French. G. H, H, I, I, G, G. So the opposite of English, not J, but G. K, K, K. So not K, okay? K. L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O. Round up your lips. O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R. This one is quite tricky. R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U. This one is quite tricky. So you round up your lips like you say O, but you say U, U, and your tongue needs to be at the bottom. U, like you kiss someone. U. V, V, W, W, X. So with I, X, Y. So we technically say the Greek I, Y, Z, Z. So that's it. These are all the letters in French alphabet. We have 6 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and Y, and 20 consonants. The rest of the letters are the consonants. Let's play a game to practice. Say the letters that appear on the screen. A, A, E, E. You round up your lips. E. So this one is G, G. Different than the English G. G. O, O. J, J. K, K. M, M. R, R. U, U. W, W. Y, Y. Thank you guys for watching my lesson. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to improve your pronunciation, make sure to check out my courses in the description. Merci et à la prochaine.